shot. Aqua sends in a cross, and that's the second goal for Asante Kotoko. Captain Samba O'Neil leads by example. The Porcupines have doubled their lead on 22 minutes through Captain Samba O'Neil. He rose, got a header, looked to have taken a slight deflection onto the net. Kotoko up by 2-0 here at the Babayara Sports Stadium. Samba O'Neil, the scorer.
Look at that delivery. Peter Midwalker, he knew exactly where to place it. Samba O'Neil was right there coming off. That is Atefriye. Quite unfortunate. And you could see very much disappointed that ball deflected of him. Unlike Emmanuel Ampia, rather, Atefriye went into that aerial tussle. But Ampia.
So I was telling you about the earlier deflection. It's been credited as an own goal because